Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to delete X account permanently. So let's get into our X, which is called Twitter. We have to just open it up. Now on the top right side corner, basically the left, you will see a profile icon. Go and tap there. Now here you have to go to the setting and support. Again go to the setting and privacy here. Then you have to go and select your account, and here you will get this option of deactivate. So now here you can just click on deactivate, right? And once you click on deactivate, here you have to enter your password and you can just deactivate your account from here. So the option which I've shown you, it is basically to deactivating your account. There's no option to delete, right? So basically if you just go even on the search bar and look for delete, right, you will get this no option to delete any of your X account, right? So basically it's not available, right? Let me show you. Here you can just go to Google Chrome and just write here delete X account, right? We will just go and try to get into this. Here you will find so many ways which you can delete, but here also it says that you can only deactivate your account, right? So there's no way to delete your account. You can only deactivate your account, and once your account is deactivated for many years, automatically it will get deleted. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.